Okay, well, it's been a crazy busy morning getting everything ready to take Phoenix in. Hope you can hear me. Going over at Cattle Guard for her last, hopefully last, set of repairs. He thought he might have to keep her all week. So I have had to get everything out that I thought I might need for a week. It's like moving, oh my God. But fingers crossed that this is the last of the major repairs other than general maintenance for Phoenix. We're having lunch at La Fonda, and we got seated up in the good seats. Jana, you didn't have to rent these out for me.
The high dollar seats up there.
Good stuff. Yum, 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 yum. What goes up must come down.
Spinning wheels got to go round.
Ride a painted pony, let the spinning wheels spin or fly.
Or
had to come back and check the propane. I forgot to do that this morning, and I want to make sure I have enough. Yeah, it's a little over half. Woo, that's dirty. So I just want to make sure my fridge can keep running while they have it. Artesia has this cute little park. It's got like a water fountain in it. And their principal industry. How cool is that?